welcome back to my channel. And today, you guys, I have something cool. Right now I am currently in a parking lot. I'm in my town where I live, and I recently found out that Fetch Rewards is located in my area. So I reached out and asked if I could be on a tour of them. It might not be something special, but it's kind of cool to see how everything looks. And I also want to let you guys know that today's video is also sponsored by Fetch Rewards, so it's a win-win situation. Fetch Rewards, if you guys don't know what it is, it's an easy app where all you guys have to do is just scan your receipt and you guys get points. If you buy specific brands, you guys get extra points for that, and then you could redeem your points for gift cards. You can redeem as little of $3. And if you guys join today for a limited time offer, if you guys click my referral link below and you enter the code word Jen, you guys will get 3,000 points when you join. So it's kind of cool. Usually it's 2,000 points, but right now you guys get special points for joining today. So I'm gonna walk upstairs and find out what I'm supposed to do, but I have no idea what I'm in for today. The person I talked to, she's like, I don't know what to do, and I'm like, I don't either, but we're just gonna play it by ear. But I am excited to share with you guys what we're gonna do today, so let's go. Okay, here you guys go. Here's the entrance of Fetch Rewards. It's kind of cool. I'm pretty excited. Hey guys, so I am inside Fetch Rewards right now, and I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour. I have Allison, who works for Fetch, who I was talking to, and she's just gonna kind of show me you guys just kind of the layout of the building and little things here and there, and then maybe we'll ask some questions at the end. So let's go on the tour.
Welcome to Fetch Rewards. This is where we make the magic happen.
Okay, so now we're just gonna go and just walk in the room. So these are just some empty rooms, salad bar, doghouse. Are these what you guys just name the rooms?
Yep, everything is food themed. Yeah, we try to keep it fun.
That's cool, because basically Fetch is all about food stuff, so that's kind of cool. And then here is, what room is this?
We call this the pit. This is where everybody works together. Developers, marketing, people who make the app, people who communicate. Shoppers.
Did it have you install Haxon?
We're just gonna go on a little tour. And then this is the support room, you guys. So this is where anytime you guys have problems, you message them, you email them, and they will respond to you. So it's just a little room with people responding. And sometimes they have dogs in here, but there are no doggies today. Hi, how's it going?
Can you sit? Can you sit?
Sit. Good job. Shake. Yeah. So here you guys go. They got some snacks for everybody. It's all kind of cool. I'm not used to stuff like this at all, but it is kind of cool. Here's another hallway, their little break room area with some microwaves and refrigerators. And then
this is our like mission statement that we just wrote out.
More mission statements. And then more offices they have to the right. Nothing really fancy. And then this room is your lunch cafeteria area, or just
chill zone.
The chill zone. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna ask Allison some questions that you guys asked me, so we can kind of get some stuff out. If you guys do have any other questions, you can just put it in the comments below, and I can discuss it with you guys. It's a little bit easier, but here are the most questions that I got from a lot of you guys. So my husband actually wanted to know this question. He wanted to know, what's the number of staff that you guys have?
Right now we're at about 130, but by the end of 2020 we'll be well over 200, basically doubling in size from 2019 to 2020. So we're growing super fast and we're very excited.
And then you guys have 2 offices right now, and you're getting a 3rd one, is what you said?
We actually have technically 4 offices. Our headquarters is in Madison, and then we're kind of co-headquartered in Chicago, so we have a lot of folks down there. We also have a little bit smaller office in New York City, and then we are launching a new office in San Francisco and building that one out. And then we have some remote employees as well, so people all over the country.
And then how many users currently use Fetch Rewards?
As of this morning, we are at 2.6 million daily or monthly active users.
That's crazy. And then how many scans does it have you guys gotten all together?
Altogether, 239 million receipt scans.
And then what is the most points that you guys had that people have redeemed all together?
Oh, altogether points? Well, we have awarded over $40 million in points to users since we first started.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a lot.
And then, okay, so a lot of you guys were asking us how come people get different rebates. I know with different YouTubers, we all get different rebates than everybody else. So why does everybody get different rebates?
Yes, so everything that Fetch likes to do is to personalize the experience for shoppers and make it the best possible and most valuable tool for you folks to use. So the deals are personalized based on your shopping trends. So that's why you see something different than your friends.
And what day do usually the rebates come out?
We have different deals coming up every single day, so keep checking your app and see what's new and what you can save money on.
So a lot of you guys were wondering about like what to do about when you have to correct your receipt if you have problems.
Yeah, so sometimes the receipt reading technology that we use, it kind of learns as it goes. So the way that certain stores abbreviate products is different. And so if the receipt reading technology doesn't pick something up, you can always use the Correct My Receipt feature, super easy, or you can always email support@fetchrewards.com and we're super happy to make corrections manually for you.
And then what happens if you do get suspended?
We are always very happy to review deactivations. We have a special email account set up just for that. It's account-inquiry@fetchrewards.com. And if you write in and say, I think I was deactivated and I was not supposed to have been, we're more than happy to take a second look and someone will review the situation other than the person who initially issued the deactivation.
You guys, we have a doggy here. Say hi. And what's his name?
This is Pico. He's our CEO's dog.
Look at that. He's almost as tall as I am. He's got 2 different color eyes. Okay, you guys, so I just went on a quick tour. I asked some questions. Nothing really cool and fancy, but you got to see they bring their dogs to work, which was kind of cool. This whole floor is pretty much theirs. As you guys saw, they have Fetch right here. And then they also have like, you know, their door that says Fetch Rewards with the sign in, which is kind of cool. I had to ring the doorbell to have somebody let me in, but it was kind of cool. She said that there's so many people here, they have little space that they're gonna probably get a new location, which is kind of cool. And it's gonna be actually closer to my house, which is nice. But like I said, if you guys, hopefully some of those questions that I asked you guys helped you guys a lot. I couldn't answer everybody's questions, but I did ask her some of the questions off camera for you guys, but it's kind of cool. I mean, I was pretty excited. I never thought the office would look like this. Everybody's laid back. She's like, everybody knows you're here, because I know people don't like being on camera. But other than that, I think it was pretty good. I'm gonna go in the elevator now and go to my car, figure something out. But yeah, don't forget, if you guys don't have Fetch Rewards, like I said, this is an app that I use all the time. I tell you guys about it all the time. It's my favorite app to get points, and it's a good good app to save for Christmas. So definitely, I gotta figure out where I parked, but definitely download the app if you guys haven't. Right now, if you guys use the code JEN, you guys will get 3,000 points when you guys join with the referral link below. Kind of cool. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go enjoy my day. Hopefully you guys had a nice day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.